Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the ClearPass video series which we going through. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to integrate Aruba Wireless Controller with the ClearPass. But in this video, I am not using the traditional shared secret method. I'm using the RADSEC protocol for this integration. So let's jump into the video. So, if you are new to this channel, my name is Tarindu. I am working as a network consultant for a 10 years of period now. So, in this video, I will integrate Aruba ClearPass with the Aruba controller by using the RADSEC protocol. Okay, let's start our configuration. Logging to the ClearPass. So this is the ClearPass, and we will configure the virtual IP first. I already configured that one. I will show. You can come into administration, server configuration, and the virtual IP. You can see in here you can configure the IP and select the nodes. Then your ClearPass virtual IP configuration is done. The next step is configuring the installing the RADSEC certificate into the ClearPass. So let's go into the certificate store, and then we will select the RADSEC server certificate. First, you can see this is the default certificate which it is coming with the ClearPass application. So we will do a certificate signing request. The command name in here, I will use the FQDN which I configured for this ClearPass IP. You can see it in here. I will copy this one, come into here. Organization name, those things you can fill based on your requirement. This is important. Subject alternative name, you have to define the FQDN in here, and the private key. I will select 4096 and I will submit. This is the certificate signing request. I will copy this one. Then I will come to my certificate authority, refresh this one, request certificate, advanced certificate request, paste this one here, and I will select the template as a RADSEC, submit. I will download the ER format, download the certificate is downloaded. We can see the certificate is downloaded now. I will rename this one as RADSEC. Now let's upload the certificate into the ClearPass. Come here, import the certificate, server certificate, RADSEC. Private key it is saved because we generate the CSR from the ClearPass itself. Because of that one, the private key is saved. I will browse the certificate. You can see, open it. We need to define the this is my root CA. So from here we need to add the RADSEC as the usage. Update it, update done, close. I have to search the root CA. We add the root CA in our previous video when we are doing the secure LDAP, secure AD integration. So I have imported the certificate. Now let's export this certificate and install into the ClearPass application too. Export this one, put the password and click on export. It will download. Go to the second application, import certificate, select the server certificate, and in this time we will select the uh, pfx format, and this is the downloaded one. Put the password, and you can see both the appliances now have the same certificate. 1 and 2, it have the same certificate. So ClearPass certificate installation is done. Next step is we will log into the our controller. This is the controller. We have to install the root CA of the certificate authority. First we will download the root CA. We'll come to here. You can select the download CA certificate. Download it in DER format. Download CA certificate. Let's go into the folder and rename this one as root. That is easy for our understanding. Okay, let's come to the controller. We'll import the root, select the name, select the certificate. Key is doesn't required. DER is the format. This one is the trusted CA. So we will click on submit. So our root CA is now installed. Now we need to generate the certificate signing request from the controller also. So we will click on CSR. We will select RSA. We will select the key. Command name here also I have defined FQDN for the controller also. So this is my name. See, Qatar. Generate new, view current, copy this one. We'll come to the certificate authority again, request a certificate, advanced certificate, select the certificate template, click on submit. This one also will download in the DER format. Click on download. I will rename this certificate as a WLC. We'll come to the controller, import certificates. Click on WLC, select certificate, key is not required. This one is the server certificate. So both certificate is now uploaded into the ClearPass. Both certificate is uploaded into the controller now. So let's configure the authentication server now. We'll come to authentication. First we will create a group. I will use this one as a RADSEC. Then we will create the server name, CPPM VIP. We'll use this one as a RADSEC. In here I will use the same FQDN which I used to for the ClearPass, because that is easy. Where is my okay, now the authentication source configuration is done, certificate installation is done. So we need to enable the RADSEC. To enable the RADSEC in the controller, we cannot do it in the GUI level. We have to go to the CLI. So I will open the CLI now. Okay, let's go to the configuration mode and authentication server. So first we need to define the root CA. RADSEC trusted CA server. We use the root and then RADSEC client set. It is the WLC and then enable RADSEC. I will save the configuration. Okay, now let's go to the ClearPass. In the ClearPass, we will go to configuration, devices. We will add the our controller into this one. Give the name, IP address. I don't need to give any key because we are using the RADSEC for the communication. So I will enable the RADSEC. You can see that is radius shared secret port was gray out. And then we will come to here, now authorization check, and we'll click on add. So now we add the controller into the ClearPass as a trusted device. So after few minutes we will see the tunnel is forming up. So after few minutes you can see now the RADSEC tunnels are forming up. This will show like this in the event viewer. So RADSEC tunnels are up. So we can do some testing now. We'll try to send some authentication from the controller itself, diagnostic. So we will select the ClearPass, select the app. We'll see this test is successful. We'll come to ClearPass and then we'll see. Yes, we can see this is the username we tested and we got all the details and the protocol is RADSEC. So RADSEC integration is done with the Aruba ClearPass. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video we discuss about integrating Aruba controller with the ClearPass by using the RADSEC protocol. In the next video we will describe how to integrate Aruba switch also by using the RADSEC protocol. So if you like this video, you're going to like the video over here which we discuss about the secure LDAP integration, secure AD integration with the Aruba ClearPass. So let's see in the next video.